Today, for the first time, jurors heard from a suspected cop killer. Investigators interviewed Victor Godinez after he was arrested in the shooting of Trooper Moises Sanchez.
And today, prosecutors played that interview in the courtroom. Here's Christian Von Preissing with today's trial developments.
Today in the 389th District Court, week 2 of a Valley capital murder case. Victor Godinez on trial, accused of killing DPS Trooper Moises Sanchez. For 6 days, he's maintained the silence. Jurors heard from him today in a confession recorded nearly 5 years ago. Today, the 3-hour interview taped the day after the shooting said much more. When investigators asked what happened, Godinez said, quote, "I ran the red light. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Then I crashed. I was scared. I was drunk. I crossed the street, and then I took off running. The next thing I remember, I was shooting the officer." Judge Letty Lopez does not permit audio recordings in this case, so we have to quote what was said. Godinez was interviewed by Texas Rangers B.J. Hill and Tony Rocha in 2019. In the recording, we could hear Rocha first take a gentle tone and ask, quote, "Why did you get scared, bro?" Godinez repeated that he was drunk, couldn't remember certain things, and was scared after causing that crash at 10th and Freddy Gonzalez. He told investigators he went back to his truck to grab a .357 Magnum revolver and extra ammo. He told them he liked guns and that he applied to be a police officer 2 years earlier and was denied. Quote, "Do you think he'll make it?" Godinez asked at one point. Trooper Moises Sanchez lived 4 more months after being shot in the head that night. Quote, "You would have bonded out already for a misdemeanor DWI," said Ranger Hill. He suggested there could have been a different outcome if Godinez made different choices that night, instead of all the actions he's now accused of making after running a red light. After his arrest, Godinez remained in jail until this trial, nearly 5 years later, charged with capital murder. Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News.